In this video, you'll learn how to create a pivot table from asset data. Pivot tables are powerful tools that allow you to access your asset data in the Asset Registry and Forecast tool, making it faster and easier to assemble data and to pre-populate information that you'll need for regular reporting. So, as an example, let's say you want to know the length of pipe that is your water mains and your wastewater gravity mains. In order to do this, we can use a pivot table. The first step is to select a cell within the table. Then, go up to the menu and select Insert, and then select Pivot Table. It will automatically select all of the information in your table. It also says, where do you want to create the pivot table? One new worksheet or an existing? In this case, we want it on a new worksheet, so we'll click OK. Now, we're given options for the pivot table. And you can see on the right-hand side, these are the fields that we can select from. So in our case, we wanted to know the length of water mains and wastewater mains. And those are at the asset subclass level. So we select asset subclass and drag that to row. And you can see the categories show up in the pivot table. Now we go to length and we drag that and we bring it to values. And you can see that it's now summing the length for all entries for wastewater gravity mains and water mains. Now, sometimes the values can auto-populate as a count. If that happens to you, use the drop-down and click Value Field Settings, and you can change how you are handling the data. Now let's take this example one step further. Let's say we want to know the length of each of these types of assets that's in a certain condition. Now we need to go and find physical condition as part of the fields. Select that, and now drag it below asset subclass in the pivot table options. And now we can see that it automatically sums the length for a condition for a given type of main. This is how you can use pivot tables to access your asset data and set up reports that you make on a regular basis, saving you time and ensuring that they're accurate.